All right, we're going to do some more practicing with renaming expressions, specifically distributing, commuting. That doesn't look like an M. There we go. Commuting and combining. And I just spell combining right. Combining. There we go. So here's the problem. Write the given expression in standard form. So standard form means they don't want to see multiplication of a group. So we need to rename this part. And there's this one too. This multiplying to a group is not in standard form. In fact, in the last video we learned that this is factored form. So we don't want to see any factors of groups. So we have two groups. It would be nice to combine. I see a G here and a G here, but this is in this group and this is in this group, and we cannot commute yet because there's still multiplication of those groups. So let's distribute both groups. Negative 2 is being multiplied to the group. Another way to write that is negative 2 times each term of the group. And we have three terms, 5f, 4, and 3g. So we're going to distribute to each of those, the multiplied by negative 2. Negative 2 times 5 is a negative 10, and that would be f. So negative 10f minus negative 2 times 4 is negative 8, plus negative 2 times 3 is negative 6, and that has a g with it, negative 6g. Now this right here, subtract a negative 8 or minus negative 8, we know that that's going to make the value go up just like adding 8 would. So let's rename that. Another way to subtract a number is to add its opposite. Let's bring down the negative 10f. Let's bring down the negative 6g. And adding. Let's distribute this 2. Multiply by 2 to the group is the same as multiplying to each member of the group. 2 times negative 6g is negative 12g, plus 2 times 5 is 10, and that's it for that one. Now we can commute and combine because it's all addition. It's easy to commute and it won't change our value. Are there any things that can combine that are similar? Yeah, this g and this g are similar. So adding a negative 6g and adding a negative 12g is going to make the value go down and go down even more. So you're adding negative 6 and negative 12, which is negative 18g. And that was that part right there. Now what else can combine? We have a constant of 8, adding 8, and a constant of adding 10. We can combine those. So adding 8 and adding 10 is the same as adding 18. It's just a coincidence that those values have the same constant or coefficient. And then we still have this negative 10f. So we have negative 10f minus 18g plus 18. In standard form, it's common practice to put every term with a variable in front and the constant at the end. And the variables should be in alphabetical order. So if we had A's would be in the front, then B's, then C's, then D's, and let's see, F does come before G in the alphabet, so this is written in perfect standard form.